So for this recording, we're going to be looking at the functions and the function or. And what these help us to do, the and function will turn back true if all the arguments are true and false if not. And then the or function will return back true if any of the arguments are true and false if all the arguments are false. And so here we have students about to go on a field trip, and they have 4 different requirements that they have to meet. So first, their permission slip has to be signed, so that has to return a yes. Their test grade has to be greater than or equal to an 80. They either have to be paid, so yes, or they will pay, so or a will, for that to be true. And they also have to be older than or the same age as 12. And what that will do, we'll be using the and with a nested or function, and it will return either a true or false. And so that way at this point in time, we can tell if the student will or will not be going on the field trip. So first, we're going to set up our and function and put in our first argument. And so the permission slip has to be signed, so it has to return a yes. When you're putting in words, remember to use quotations. Now we'll go on to our second argument, so the test grade. So we will select that cell must be an 80 or higher. So C4, that cell must be greater than or equal to an 80. And then for our next one, they either have to be paid or they will pay. So that's where our or function comes in. And so our first argument is that C5, or the cell, has to return a yes. And remember to put that in quotations. Or it has to return a will. So if either of these arguments are correct, it will return a true. And then once we do the comma, we're back to our and function. And our final argument is the age. So the age has to be greater than or equal to 12. So our cell C6 has to be greater than or equal to 12. And we can end the and function there. Once we hit enter, we see that Davis can go, and then we can actually drag that out to all of them. And so at this point in time, we can see that Davis, Nellie, and Ansley can all go on the field trip, and Andre and Rick cannot. I hope this helps to understand how you can use the and the or function. Have a nice day.